Hello everybody, in the YouTube land, Trains 400, got ourselves a green signal here up on the main track, train track, and look what we have coming back up behind us. Got us a train coming. He sees us, he sees me coming. That's why they're blowing the horn, because it's they see me. Wow, they're coming pretty fast too, for going uphill. Yeah, that's a very friendly train crew. Like, they blew the horn for me. That's their way of saying hi, or that they're coming through. Wow. Awesome. Oh yeah. This is a way more better, faster train than before. Ah, yep, of course. That's why they're going faster. Yep. DPU, all right. That was beautiful. This is out this is in Camden, Tennessee. That was a good one there. Wow, that one had a DPU up on the end of it. Well, be sure to tell me like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on my YouTube channel video on Trains 400. Those are greatly appreciated. Tell me what you think of the video, or what you did not like about the video, or what you want to see more of. Leave a comment down there below to tell me what you wanted to, what you think of it too. Those are greatly appreciated also. And until then, until next time, this is Trains 400 signing out. That's a friendly train crew. So be blessed. Sign out. God bless.